Do you know? One of the world's most mysterious predators is also incredibly adorable. Meet the snow leopard. Living high in the snowy mountains of Asia, this rare big cat is often called the ghost of the mountains. But despite being a powerful hunter, snow leopards have something that makes them look surprisingly cute. Their fluffy tails can grow almost as long as their bodies. They use them like a blanket to wrap around their face while they sleep in the freezing cold. And those giant paws? They work like natural snowshoes, helping them walk quietly across deep snow, silent, fluffy, and perfectly built for the mountains. Even the most mysterious predators can have a cute side. If you enjoyed this, hit like, follow for more animal facts, and comment if the snow leopard might be the cutest big cat.